Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 23/12/2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 21. And the name of the chapter is The Story of Fire. The Story of Fire. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed book exercises of the chapter, that is question number A, tick the correct answer, and question number B, state whether true or false. So these two questions, that is these two book exercises, that is question number A and question number B, we have completed. Now let's start with question number C, fill in the blanks. So first question is question number 1. Early man produced the fire by striking two dash stones. So student, maybe by chance accidentally the fire catch in the forest. So when the first time early human beings, when they observe the fire, so at that time they realize that fire is a very good discovery for them. Fire, not discovery, they realize that fire is very good for them, because the early human beings, they are also living in the forest like the animals. Like animals, they are also living in the forest, and even the early man, they are also afraid of the carnivorous animals, the animals who kill other animal and eat their flesh. So early human observed that all the animals of the forest are afraid of fire. They all are running away from the forest. So at that time, early man student don't know how to produce the fire. At that time, even early man has observed that this is a very good fire is very good for them, lot of advantages of fire. for the early human beings. But student, at that time they also don't know how to produce the fire. As I told you that the early man, they also hunted the animals, means they kill the animals and eat the flesh of the animals. And what are the tools of the early man at that time? So they make the stone sharp, sharp edges. जो स्टोन होते थे उनके जो किनारे एजेस थे वो बहुत शार्प बनाते थे, जिससे वो एनिमल्स को किल करते थे. तो मे बी व्हेन अर्ली ह्यूमन बीइंग शार्पिंग द स्टोन, जब वो दो स्टोन्स को शार्प कर रहा होगा, आपस में रब कर रहा होगा, वो टच में आए होंगे, तो मे बी व्हाट्स हैपन, सो some spark come out from the that stones. हो सकता है जब वो उन्हें रब कर रहा हो, शार्प एजेस बना रहा हो, तो spark come out from that stone, and maybe that spark fall on the dry leaves, and then what happen, it catch the fire. So in this manner early man do the discovery of the fire. Now once they know this technique, how to produce spark from the stones, then he learn to produce the fire. And what type of a stone he is using to produce the fire, that is the flint stones, means the stones which are very very hard. वो स्टोन्स जो बहुत हार्ड होते हैं, ठीक है. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्टोन द अर्ली मैन यूज टू प्रोड्यूस फायर, दैट इज ए फ्लिंट, FLINT. फ्लिंट मीन्स वेरी हार्ड स्टोन. सो इन दिस मैनर स्टूडेंट, इन द ओल्ड टाइम अर्ली मैन प्रोड्यूस द fire. Now question number 2, early man ate dash food. Ate dash food. So as I told you student that early human beings, they are also living like animals in the beginning. Is it clear? So in the beginning the life of the early man is also like the animals. They also move from one place to another place in search of food, in search of food. So at that time he did not know about the, या तो आप ये कह सकते हो at that time there is no discovery of fire. उस समय अर्ली मैन को फायर के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था. ही जस्ट लिव द लाइफ लाइक ए एनिमल्स. और एनिमल्स का आपको पता है बेटा, एनिमल्स दे कैनॉट कुक फूड. सो लाइक, and at that time discovery of fire does not take place. So like the animals, the early human beings, they also eat the raw food. या प्लांट प्रोडक्ट होता था, या तो एनिमल्स को भी किल करके खाते थे, तो वो रा खाते थे, मतलब कच्चा खाते थे. इज इट क्लियर? बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम द अर्ली ह्यूमन बीइंग डू नॉट नो हाउ टू कुक द फूड. because the discovery of fire does not take place at that time. फायर की तो बेटा उससे तब नॉलेज हुई थी जब एक्सीडेंटली उसने ये ऑब्जर्व किया था, एक्सीडेंटली do there is a fire in the forest and all the animals are running away from the forest. By chance some animals are burned in that fire. तो मे बी अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग्स ने उन रोस्टेड एनिमल्स को खाया हो, तो जब उसने उन रोस्टेड एनिमल्स को खाया तो जब रोस्ट हो गया था वो, उसकी बॉडी बर्न हो गई थी फायर में, तो इट बिकम सॉफ्ट आल्सो एंड व्हेन ही ईट दैट इट इज आल्सो वेरी टेस्टी. सो ये चीज तो उसने बाद में ऑब्जर्व की थी, बट इन द बिगिनिंग he eat all the things raw, whether it is a plant product or whether he is killing the animals and eating the flesh of that animal. So right answer is early man ate raw food. raw means कच्चा होता है, जिससे हम कुक नहीं करते हैं, आग में नहीं बना रहे हैं, ठीक है, जैसा है वैसे ही खा जा रहे हैं. So note down the answer from the board. Question number 3, playing with dash sticks or dash can be dangerous. Can be dangerous. So student, when I am explaining you in the chapter that because after the discovery of fire lot of change comes in the life of the early human beings, but at the same time student, the early human beings, they also realize that this fire is very dangerous. So at the time when I am explaining you this chapter, at that time I explain you why we should handle fire with care, because the fire is very dangerous. Is it clear? So we should not playing with dash sticks. Dash sticks means है मैच स्टिक्स. जो माचिस की डिब्बियाँ आती है ना बेटा, उसमें मैच स्टिक्स होती है ना. कभी कभी क्या होता है, बच्चे खेलते हैं, माचिस है ऐसे उसे जलाया फेंक दिया, बाई चांस उसमें से फायर अगर किसी क्लोथ के टच में आ गई तो पूरे घर में आग लग सकती है. क्योंकि फायर जब भी आप देखते होंगे, जब आपकी मम्मी लोग किचन में कुकिंग करती होंगी, नाउ मैक्सिमम हाउसेस में आपको एलपीजी गैस पे सब खाना बनाते हैं, जस्ट लाइटर में से एक स्पार्क निकलती है एंड सच अ बिग फ्लेम कम आउट. सो फायर इज अ वेरी डेंजरस. इसकी स्टार्टिंग बिल्कुल एक स्पार्क से होती है, बट विद इन अ फ्यू सेकेंड इट बिकम वेरी ह्यूज. इट बिकम वेरी ह्यूज, क्योंकि सारी चीजें क्या होती हैं, आग में या फायर में क्या हो जाती हैं, बर्न हो जाती हैं. ठीक है. सो वाई वी शुड हैंडल द फायर केयरफुली, बिकॉज there are lot of advantages of fire. So at the same time also student, there are many there is many advantage of fire, but at the same time fire is also very dangerous. Fire is also very dangerous. So playing with matchstick, okay, so playing with matchsticks, stick is already written here, matchsticks or crackers. क्रैकर्स जो पटाखे होते हैं, आप लोग स्पेशली फेस्टिवल्स में और डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स में हम लोग वी ब्रश द क्रैकर्स. सो व्हेन वी ब्रश द क्रैकर, लॉट ऑफ fire is produced from that crackers at the time of burning. So that is the reason we should take care. We do not play with the match sticks, क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है कि बिल्कुल फायर का एक स्पार्क है, स्पार्क, जस्ट वेरी स्मॉल स्पार्क, बट व्हेन इट come in touch with the other things, then it becomes very huge. ठीक है. सो आप कह सकते हो एक चिंगारी से भी पूरा घर जल सकता है. आप लोग को मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था, बड़े बड़े ऑफिसेज में होता है, देखते हो कि शॉर्ट सर्किट से जो आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की वायर्स हैं, स्विच जुड़े रहते हैं, इन्हें ऑन ऑफ करते हैं तो कभी कभी स्पार्क उसमें से निकलती है. और शॉर्ट सर्किट से भी आपने सुना होगा कि बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग, ऑफिस में आग लग गई, बहुत से लोग जल गए, many things are burned in that. So that is the reason the fire is also very dangerous for us. So we must handle it with care. So now next है man, question number 4. Question number 4. Man started using coal, natural gas and gas oil to light fire. Man started using coal, natural gas and dash oil to light fire. So these are the things which produce fire. So what is the answer? Man started using coal, कोयले को बोलते हैं, नेचुरल गैस है, एंड डैश ऑयल टू लाइट फायर. सो आंसर इज केरोसिन ऑयल. So in the old time when there is no electricity, बेटा ऐसा भी समय रहा होगा, आप जस्ट इमेजिन करो, जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती ही नहीं थी. इन द मॉर्निंग all things are visible due to the sunlight, and in the night it become dark because we say sunset. So in the night it become dark. Is it clear? So in the old time, because when we fire also produce heat and light, and the things are visible to us in the light. हमें चीजें कब विजुअल होती है बेटा? जब लाइट होती है. तो फायर, व्हेन यू बर्न एनीथिंग, जब भी हम किसी चीज को बर्न करते हैं तो उससे हीट तो प्रोड्यूस होती है. एट द सेम टाइम इट आल्सो प्रोड्यूस द लाइट. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स which are used in the old time to light fire also. So kerosene oil, ठीक है, ओल्ड टाइम में केरोसिन ऑयल बहुत यूज होता था. नाउ इन प्रेजेंट टाइम पीपल आर कुकिंग फूड या ऑन एलपीजी, दैट इज लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस. सो इन प्रेजेंट टाइम आपको उतना ये ऑयल नहीं मिलेगा देखने को, लेकिन आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछना, जब वो आप लोग की तरह रहे होंगे तो हर घर में केरोसिन ऑयल यूज होता था. इज इट क्लियर? Next, question number 5. Fifth one is, fire has become the fire has become the fire has become the greatest dash for mankind. So fire has become the greatest dash for mankind. So मैंने ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को बताया, विद द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस come in the life of the human beings. So we can say it, the fire has become the greater dash for mankind. You can say achievement. Fire has become the greatest achievement for mankind. Greatest achievement. Note down. Now see student, we have completed the book exercises of the chapter, that is 21. Now take out your classwork copy. All of you take out your classwork copy. On the top you will write chapter number, and then you will write the name of the chapter, that is the story of fire. That is the story of fire. Okay, and you can note down the first question from the board. First question is, give question number D. Give short answer. Question number 1. So, student, what was the first question? Why did early man roam from place to place? Why did early man roam? Why did early man roam from place to place? So answer. Okay. So student, I have already explained you. When I am explaining you the chapter, at that time student, I have already explained you that the life of the early man is just like the animals in the beginning, because you see that animals always move from one place to another in search of food. So student, in the same manner, the early human, the early mans, they also move from one place to another in search of food, because at that time they eat all the food raw. And what they eat? They eat plants, different parts of the plants, and even at that time they hunted the animals. It means they kill the animals and eat the flesh of that animals. So student, the life of the early human being is just like animals, and that is the reason the early man roam, मतलब घूमता रहता था from one place to another in search of the food. So note down the answer. Early man moved from place to place. Early man moved from place to place in search of food. And even student, at that time early man don't know how to make the houses. So in the beginning, even the early mans are living in the caves. जो गुफा होती थी फॉरेस्ट में, तो उन गुफाओं में रहते थे अर्ली मैन्स. So this is complete explanation of question number 1. Why did early man roam from place to place? Now student, open page number 120. Heading is uses of fire. So what are the things from which you can produce the fire? Kerosene, coal, matchstick and gas. So draw this diagram in your class 1 copy. Okay, thank you student.